Hello, my name is Dr. Mike Beaton and I am the current chair of the ESCMID study group for Mycoplasma and Chlamydia infections. By the end of this short presentation, hopefully you will have an appreciation for the focus of this study group, the types of research projects which we undertake, how we contribute towards furthering the understanding of these bacteria in the clinical and diagnostic microbiology. ESGMAC is a relatively new study group which was established in 2019. Although we are in our infancy, we are expanding the membership, collaborative research outputs, as well as contributing towards the annual ECMID meetings and other internationally reaching conferences. In 2020, we were placed in the top 10 of ESCMID study groups, which is reflective of our collaborative and proactive approach to research and education. The study group is of interest to physicians, research and diagnostic scientists who aim to study and understand the clinical presentation and the epidemiology, including development of antimicrobial resistance of Mycoplasma, Ureaplasma and Chlamydia infections in humans, as well as to improve diagnosis, treatment, control and prevention. As a study group, we aim to promote and support international research activities, education, training and good medical practice. To give you some context to the pathogen in question, they are responsible for infectious diseases ranging from respiratory tract infections, such as community-acquired pneumonia, to genital urinary tract infections in the form of non-gonococcal urethritis. Unlike most bacteria, mycoplasmas, for example, lack a cell wall, rendering them intrinsically resistant to a large number of antibiotics. For this reason, therapeutic options are limited generally to either macrolide, fluoroquinolone, or tetracycline antibiotics. Similar to other bacterial pathogens, these bacteria are not exempt from developing antibiotic resistance, with high levels of macrolide resistance seen among Mycoplasma pneumoniae isolates in Asia, as well as the emergence of Mycoplasma genitalium with dual resistance to macrolide and fluoroquinolone antibiotics. In the past 12 months, we have achieved a number of successful outputs. For example, the work led by Patrick Mercier on behalf of ESGMAC has resulted in an original research article detailing the impact of non-pharmaceutical interventions as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic on the prevalence of Mycoplasma pneumoniae in 21 different countries. ESGMAC is also currently running an ESCMID study group research grant to examine the virulence of a collection of Mycoplasma pneumoniae isolates from across Europe. This collaborative project between the UK, France, Belgium and Slovenia will be assessing the phenotypic markers of virulence and comparing these to the genome of these isolates using a genome-wide association study. Towards the end of 2021, we helped with the delivery of the biennial International Organization of Mycoplasmology Conference. Furthermore, we provided financial support for 5 of our early career research members to present their work at this event. Looking to the future, we have a number of activities planned. For example, we will be co-hosting 2 sessions at the annual ECMID meeting in Lisbon this coming April. The first session will be molecular guided therapy for sexually transmitted infections in collaboration with the ESCMID study group for genomic and molecular diagnostics, as well as the ESCMID study group for forensic and post-mortem microbiology. The second session, let's not forget about atypical bacterial respiratory pathogens, will be co-hosted with the ESCMID study group for Legionella infections. We hope these will be interesting and insightful sessions, so please come along and join us for this event. Later in the year, we are contributing towards the International Intracellular Bacteria Meeting, which is taking place in Lucerne, Switzerland. This is between the 23rd and 26th of August. And finally, as a study group, we're keen on nurturing the next generation of Mycoplasma and Chlamydia enthusiasts. For this reason, we're planning on an online event aimed at early stage career researchers with an interest in clinical Mycoplasma and Chlamydia research. This event is designed to allow early stage career researchers an opportunity to present their research in a friendly and low pressure environment, and therefore giving them a platform to practice before entering the grander stage of the annual ECMID meeting. I hope you now have a better understanding of ESGMAC, its aims, its achievements, and how we look to grow and further our understanding of Mycoplasma and Chlamydia infections in the future. Remember, if you're a member of ESCMID, membership to ESGMAC is free, so if you're a physician or scientist with an interest in clinical aspects of Mycoplasma, Ureaplasma or Chlamydia, then please feel free to contact us either through the ESCMID study group page, our official Twitter page, or alternatively, do not hesitate to contact me or the rest of the study group for more information.